Hello, let's have another question. The question says, if the heritability of a trait is 0.2 and the selection differential is 5 kilograms, what is the expected response to selection and what does this value imply about the effectiveness of selection for this trait? So, ang maiisip dapat na formula for this, given heritability, given yung selection differential, and yung tinatanong is response to selection, your formula should be R equals heritability times selection differential, where R represents your response to selection. So this is your R. And heritability, yan na siya, H squared. And then selection differential is represented by S. So direct substitution lang siya correct because given na yung heritability value natin na 0.2 and the selection differential is 5. Direct substitution. Kasi ang unang tinatanong is expected response to selection. Once na makuha ninyo yung tamang sagot dito, tapos makikita ninyo doon sa choices na siya yung tamang sagot, alam na agad ang sashadan or ang isasagot na letter or ang pipiliin na letter. And then another question din niya, mayroon kasi siyang dalawang question. What does this value imply? Ano daw ibig sabihin ng value ng response to selection na yon? So ang unang step na gagawin is we have to compute. Huwag munang tingnan. Ang technique para masagutan ng maayos is huwag munang tingnan ang choices. Because, so what will happen if you will look at the choices is ma-overwhelm kayo sa pagkahaba-haba ng choices or it leads to bias. Pwedeng i-guess mo lang ang sagot or pipiliin mo lang alin doon yung pinaka malapit na sagot without really comprehending or understanding yung question. So with direct substitution, R equals, the heritability is 0.2 multiplied by selection differential na 5 kilograms. So 0.2 times 5 equals 1 kilogram. That is the expected response to selection. Now another question, what does this value imply about the effectiveness of selection for this trait? Ano daw ibig sabihin nung na-compute natin? Or ano daw ibig sabihin ano ba yung implication rather ng selection na in-apply natin? Kasi sabi niya response to selection. Selection daw yung in-apply ng breeder or ng farmer to improve the trait. Pero tama kaya ba yung ginawa ng farmer or ng breeder na selection method to improve, to get this response to selection? So let's read the choices. Is it letter A, 0.5 kilograms? So, since na-compute na natin yung value na 1 kilogram, hanapin na lang natin doon sa choices ang 1 kilogram. Correct? Kasi mahaba pa yung susunod eh. Selection will have minimal impact, only a small portion, etc. So, since meron na tayo nakikita na 1 kilogram, letter B ang tamang sagot. Correct? Pero paano kung pare-pareho silang 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram, 1 kilogram. So, doon na tayo magbe-base sa second statement. Dito kasi, given na 1 kilogram yung letter B. And then the rest of the choices ay ibang value na. So, alam natin, kung alam natin yung formula, alam natin paano gamitin ang formula using the given values, makukuha natin yung sagot. Letter B ang sagot dito. And then, kung halimbawa lang, pare-parehong 1 kilogram ang mga choices, 1 kilogram ang A, B, C, tapos magkakaiba lang sila ng explanation or implication ng selection na ginamit, doon na tayo magsusunod na matetest. So dito, sabi niya, sa letter B, only a small portion of the trait variation is heritable. This is true because ang heritability value mo ay 0.2. Sabi niya, small portion, di ba? Small portion. Small portion kasi 0.2 lang, which is equivalent to 20% only. If you convert that into fraction, 1/5 lang siya. So, 1/5 is small portion lang talaga. So, halimbawa, magko-construct ka ng pie chart, i-divide mo siya into 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, correct? Ito lang yung portion na heritable. Which is talagang small compared to the rest. So, small portion lang ang heritable. Na ang implication ngayon nun is, dahil small portion lang ang naipapasa from parent to offspring, that limits selection response. Nakuha? Yun yung explanation. So, after computing yung expected response to selection, ang basis mo ngayon to decide whether the selection performed by the breeder or the farmer is affected. Ang basis mo to answer this is the heritability value na given. So that is the correct answer. Letter B is the correct answer. Now, sagutin natin or i-explain natin ano ibig sabihin ng letter A. Sabi niya, selection will have minimal impact due to low genetic control. This statement is correct. So this is correct. True ito. Pero, incorrect naman yung value. So that makes letter A wrong choice. Yung letter C, wrong naman yung 2 kilograms. Pero basahin natin yung statement. Sabi niya, moderate response is expected since part of the observed variation is genetic. Part of the observed variation is genetic, correct? Pero ang mali, bakit tama ito? Tama yung portion na genetic. Kasi syempre, meron pa namang certain percent na naipapasa. However, ang mali is 2 kilograms tapos mali din yung moderate response. Hindi moderate response ang 20%. Okay? Masyadong maliit ang 20% para masabing moderate response. If you recall your classification of traits based on heritability values, you have low, moderate heritability, and high. Moderate, 0.21 to 0.4. 0.4, 0.45, ganyan. So, nabebelong siya dito. 0 to 0.2. So, ganon yung explanation or ibig sabihin ng letter C. And then, we proceed naman to letter D. 5 kilogram na sinasabi dito is also wrong. Pero basahin natin yung statement. Sabi niya, all of the observed variation, all. Ang keyword natin dito, all. All of the observed variation is due to the additive effect, making selection highly effective. Now, mali na agad itong all na statement niya or na word niya. Bakit? Kung all ang sagot, ibig sabihin, shaded na lahat ito. Lahat ng nakikita daw natin na variation, genetic or heritable na siya. O ito, additive effect. Pag sinabing additive effect, heritable na. Kuha? Mali yun because if this is the case, shadean natin lahat ito, ang ibig sabihin niyan, heritability equals 1. Okay? Ang ibig sabihin ng all of the observed variation is due to the additive effect, ang heritability equals 1. Pero hindi naman. Sabi sa statement, 0.2 lang. Okay? So, always dissect or understand yung question. And then, sa choices naman, kailangang intindihin bawat choice at kailangang i-dissect and i-analyze ng maayos. Okay? So, thank you very much everyone. I hope you learned something.